There are a number of business benefits that go along with moving applications to the cloud, and certain workloads are easier than others. Apps running in the cloud require a variety of storage solutions, including block, file, or object storage, and in some cases, a combination. Ultimately, you need to find the appropriate storage architecture for each need because you can't rewrite every app to use one type of storage, nor should you. From a cloud ops viewpoint, where you store is just as important as what you store. If you choose to use storage options from multiple companies or work with third-party providers, you'll be juggling multiple UIs, setup requirements, and access points. Not to mention, setting up multiple IAM, CMEC, and other security policies results in context switching that can seriously impact your team's efficiency. And let's be honest, your folks would love to have their weekends back. Fortunately, Google Cloud offers you a full portfolio of block, file, and object storage to choose from, including NFS storage solutions, so you don't compromise on an SLA or business value that you're delivering to your organization. And if you're looking for file storage, we have multiple options to best fit your needs. For a quick overview of the FileStore product family, we have FileStore Basic, which is built for many applications, including test and dev workloads. FileStore High Scale is excellent for larger storage capacity requirements and higher performance requirements that many HPC applications need, like genomics sequencing or financial trading analytics. FileStore Enterprise is designed for critical business applications like SAP and other use cases that also require high availability, and having a simple, trusted, and streamlined place to manage these settings and get things set up cannot be underestimated. Google Cloud gives you a simple yet powerful user interface to provision storage capacity for applications utilizing NFS. And if you're someone that likes coding, we have a single set of FileStore APIs you can use across the entire FileStore family. And for those who need to deploy business-critical applications in the cloud with many of the traditional enterprise features, like high availability and integrated data protection, we've built FileStore Enterprise. Imagine having the protection you need, but with a cloud-native and fully managed storage service that has a regional availability SLA and file system snapshots. Only in the cloud can your data be seamlessly replicated to multiple zones within a region, all with a simplified single point of access. And with FileStore snapshots, you can rest assured that any and all of your data can be recovered within minutes if the unthinkable happens. For example, a Canadian financial services company moved its core SAP banking systems to Google Cloud as it digitally transformed its operations in order to improve its client experiences. However, they couldn't compromise with a non-resilient storage solution. High availability is of the utmost importance for their mission-critical SAP systems. And then there's a leading travel reservation company that underwent an IT modernization initiative and moved critical applications to the cloud. They chose FileStore Enterprise to store and protect their information, ensuring their cloud ops and their users could recover any of that information when needed. No matter the demands of your architecture or industry, Google Cloud has a comprehensive, trusted portfolio of block, file, and object storage to choose from. And regardless of which solution fits your needs, you can keep things simple with the unified admin console. To learn more about FileStore Enterprise or any of our FileStore solutions, check out cloud.google.com/FileStore. And head to the console to provision your own FileStore Enterprise instance in just a few clicks today.